All right, y'all. So we are back with another flawless install. Look at these baby hairs. Okay, period. We did the braids today and the zigzag part. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did this hairstyle, and we're going to get into a very interesting story time. So stay tuned. Now, before I start this video, you already know I have to announce my monthly $100 giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, comment below, and leave your Cash App. One of my subscribers is winning $100 and all the products from this video. Good luck, y'all. What is going on, YouTube? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Dola Hair, for giving us this lovely deep curly lace front unit. And I love working with curly hair. I used to love wearing curly hair. Number one, because it's super easy, okay? All you have to do is wet it, add your curly hair products, so your leave-in conditioners and detangling sprays and whatever you got, comb it out with your paddle brush, and you're done. But now the only thing that I would say is the downfall of curly hair is the maintenance. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it does take some energy to keep it looking juicy and, you know, keep it looking nice. Like, you always have to have 3 things with you at all times. Number 1, a water spray bottle. Number 2, a paddle brush. And number 3, either some setting foam or some leave-in conditioner or something. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this lace real quick. Now, it's not like beige, but it's not a tan lace either. It's kind of like I don't even know what to call this color, but I know that it's gonna work for my model for the most part because she is lighter toned. But just so I can get, you know, her brown tan-ish color, I'm gonna put some powder on it just so it doesn't look gray, because I'm scared of the lace looking a little ashy. All right, so the lace does look a little bit better. Now, I still see it, you know, but that's only because I have this bright ass light in front of my model's face. So you're gonna see the lace a little bit, you know, before you're done. But once I do the baby hairs and I add, you know, the got-to-be gel, it's just gonna melt on in there. Also, one last thing for all my new subscribers and everyone that just tuned into my channel that are not familiar with the products I be using. Right now, I'm using Tropical Roots Setting Foam, okay? Now, I probably said this name 1,000 times on my channel. All my old subscribers know exactly what I'm talking about. This is my favorite setting foam to use on wigs and weave because it is tacky and it's made to hold a style. Like, a lot of stylists use Tropical Roots for braids or dreadlocks and things like that. So I use it to mold my styles. And the best thing about Tropical Roots is it does not flake up even a little bit. All right. Enough about the hair talk. Now let's get into this shop talk, all right? Now, y'all already know, okay, whatever happens in the shop stays in the shop. So in this episode, I'm going to be talking about the sex life of a woman, right? And how you can take control of your sex life and not let your sex life take control of your ass. All right, so rule number 1, do not fake it. Do not fake moan. Do not fake orgasm. Do not do that stuff because number 1, you are sending mixed signals to your partner at the time that he's doing a good job. You doing a good job. Yeah, you doing a good job. But in actuality, he's really not pleasing you. So you're only doing yourself a disservice and your partner because he don't even know how you really feel. And if you continue to fake it, right, and let your partner do the wrong thing for months and months and months, it's like you're going to slowly build up resentment toward that person and you're not going to get turned on by them no more. Like, you're naturally not going to want to have sex no more. You're going to want your distance, or even worse, you're going to cheat on his ass. All right, so number 2 is kind of like a roll off from number 1. Number 2 is communicate. Communicate what you like, how you like it, and how long you like it done. Now, just like any other interaction, just like team sports, just like dancing, just like doing anything, Sex is communication, it's body language. So yes, you're gonna have to talk to your partner about things. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all not gonna just be able to understand how to please each other off rip. Y'all can't read each other's minds. Now, some people are naturally good at sex because they've had a lot of experience. You know, you come across those people every now and then. But let's say your soulmate really does not know how to please your body for real. Yes, you're going to have to talk to this person and you're going to have to communicate, but there's a way to do that. Whatever you do, listen to me close. Whatever you do not get frustrated, okay? Sex is already awkward. Sex is already weird, you know? So when someone is not doing something right, make sure you put on your soft voice and you slowly redirect them, or you tell them, go up, go to the side, go down, do it like this, do it a little softer. You know, try not to be so abrasive and so aggressive when you're telling someone how to please you, because it will make them extremely insecure and they're not going to feel comfortable like being in bed with you. And let's say, for example, you know, your guy is, you know, down there, you know what I'm saying? And he's not doing it right? And let's say you keep on trying to tell him how to do it softly, but he's literally not getting you. Don't get frustrated. Don't suck your teeth. Don't huff and puff. Don't do none of that, or you're going to kill the mood. Okay? Just let him do what he does. You know what I'm saying? Let him come up or whatever, and just mention it next time. Or you can be like, I'm going to send you a video of, you know, blah, 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 how I want you to do it. Or just make it playful. Like, try to disguise it as much as possible, because you don't want to break no one's ego. And let's say, like, for example, your boyfriend doesn't know how to do something right, all right, or up to your standards. You can be like, you know what I like, or you know what I always wanted you to do, or you know how I want you to do this next time. You know, just try to play with your words and use your femininity so you can, like, you know, get what you want. But you don't want to be aggressive and abrasive, because that just makes things even more awkward and uncomfortable. All right, so recap. Number 1, do not fake it in bed, because girl, you ain't doing nobody no favors when you do that. Okay, yourself or your partner. Number 2 is communicate, and communicate nicely and softly and femininely. Number 3 is take control, baby girl. Sometimes it is good to let your partner take control and be dominant, because, you know, that makes men feel good. But sometimes it's cool for you to be in control sometimes as well. It's attractive, it's powerful, and it's just sexy. And what taking control every now and then does, it brings an element of surprise to the bedroom. Like, take control when your partner least expects it, and I promise they will not forget it. So yes, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that shop talk, and this is the final result. Now, baby, we did that, okay? It's something about the got to be gel that makes that lace melt in there. Like, what a lace at. Once again, thank you so much, Dola Hair, for sponsoring this video. Remember, the wave pattern is deep curly. You can find it in the description below. If you are not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications, and I'll see y'all later.